May I ask Honorable Malema to stand?
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. The remarks, the Honorable Malema, are offensive. Honorable Malema, will you please withdraw the remarks that Honorable Ramaphosa was engaged in the conspiracy to commit murder and that he is a murderer?
Cyril is a murderer, and Cyril participated in the conspiracy to murder workers.
A point of order, Chair.
I will come to your point of order. Honorable member, please let me finish with honorable. I'll recognize you. Honorable Malema.
Call those people to come and remove
Honorable
me.
Malema.
Those bouncers you have
I'm not
hired
there.
to come and kill us here. In the same way you kill
Honorable
people in
Malema.
Marikana. Call them.
Will
I'm
you
not going
please-
anywhere.
Will you please
I'm not
leave
going
the-
anywhere. I'm not leaving.
Can I get that sergeant of arms to assist us?
Nalowe